Did you know your stomach growls even when you're not hungry? Sounds weird, right? Welcome to Quick Physiology. That rumbling sound is called borborygmi, and it happens when muscles in your digestive system move food, liquid, and gas through your intestines. But here's the shocking part. Your stomach can growl even when it's empty because your digestive system keeps cleaning itself between meals. These movements prepare your body for the next time you eat. So that embarrassing sound isn't always hunger. It's your digestive system doing its job. Want more amazing body facts? Subscribe now and stay tuned with Quick Physiology.